Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's switch to the video one. Just tap on the video, and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar at the top, and right here we've got the resolution. So now we've got 1080p, and after tapping on it we can set it to 4K. After tapping on it again, we've got 1080p. Again, unfortunately, we cannot really open the resolution right here. Let me open more settings, but unfortunately, we do not have the resolution right there also. So we have to focus on this option here. So as I said, two different options, 1080p and 4K. And for example, let me tap on it. If I've got 4K here, it means that it has been applied, and from now on our device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Next to it, you've got also frames per second. However, you can basically change them only for 1080p. We've got 30 and 60 frames per second. In 4K, we've got only 30. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.